Is it true that Top is back? Is it true? Wait, is it true? Is this real? Let me subscribe first of all. Is this true?
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
What the fuck?
I can't believe it.
Nah!
I can't believe it.
What is this? Studio54. Oh, instant chills. What the fuck? Stop, bro! Oh my god. No way. Play that again.
I can't believe it.
Like on some 007, yeah.
I can't believe it.
Top spot.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
What's it say?
I can't believe it.
Bruh, look at him. Bro, I feel like I've been waiting for this day. Is it coming out? When is it coming out? Incoming? Is there a date? Damn, gunshots. Okay. I need it. I need it. And you need it too. I know you excited too. If you're watching my channel and you grew up with me, we're all excited.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.